Hi everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rush Truck Centers in Greeley, Colorado. Rocky Mountain Peterbilt here on YouTube. I've got a beauty for you here today. This is a 2021 Peterbilt 389. Extended head flat top, 72-inch flat top. And it's legendary black with Viper Red Seminole. And it's also got a Viper Red frame, as you can see there. Gorgeous truck. Very old school look, and then put the black rims on it. If you want polished rims, we can do polished rims. I know you guys like them. Some guys like the polished. We're kind of split here. We do the black wheels a lot for the mag chloride because they just hose them off, they're done. You don't have to polish them, you don't have to do anything. They just clean up really nice. 24/5 LoPros on it. But we can go back to the polished if you want to. It's not a big deal. Beautiful truck. Sorry, it's a little dusty here. They're doing some silage chopping near us here. So there's your legendary black with the heavy metal flake. There's your Viper Red. I think it'd look really good if you paint this Peterbilt logo black. Give it a nice offset. Got the ATX wheels from Wheel Pros. Bob and Dave down there. Simulated bead locks. 280-inch wheelbase. Got the polished strips with the small penny LED lights. With the medium def tank, it's polished. Air tank's polished. Got a 110 polished tank on this side. And we got the toolbox. Under the sleeper there. So we get the sliding rear window in the back. It's got the ESBAR heater. Six rear load lights, and I believe those are all LEDs, and they all go red when you turn them on. Logger mounted antenna on the radio on the left there, and a CB antenna mounted in the middle. Back of sleeper. Catwalk. There's your ESBAR exhaust. Did the Hogebuilt polished stainless steel fenders, full fenders. And then we got the nice wheels. Give you a look at the wheels there. 24/5s. Got the aluminum fifth wheel by Holland. And everything back here is Viper Red. Matches the paint. Or the paint on the cab, I should say. 336 gears. 18 speed. Got a 150 on this side. Very nicely polished. And the sleeper vents, I painted them so they kind of blend right in. Take a look under the hood. This one's a Cummins X15. With the air ride steer axle, which I absolutely love. Dual leveling valves. Viper Red doesn't match Cummins Red perfectly, but it's close. Very good. Air ride steer, disc brakes all the way around on this one. Not just the front, but the rear also. This is a Cummins X15, 565 horsepower, 2050 torque. So it's the big engine. Once it gets past warranty, if you want to turn it up to 605, it's simply a computer setting. So not a big deal. We did the black LED headlights as well. They look really nice. 14-inch drop visor, and then we added the 2 extra lights, cleared them all, so when they're on, they're amber. Platinum interior in gray. This one actually was an order. I wound up with 2 of them, and then I wound up only taking 1. So this one just became available. We wanted the, I normally don't order them with the navigation, but they wanted the navigation on, so we ordered them both identical. They're identical trucks. PTO switch, air dump, 5th wheel slide, and interaxle diff lock. AM, FM, Bluetooth. It's just not quite ready yet. Okay. 18 speed. Pretty much loaded up. If it's an option, it's on it. Factory CB. This one's got 23 miles on it. Fold-away armrests. Peterbilt leather seats. There's the sliding rear window. ESBAR heater, alarm clock, heat and AC. Got the business center in this one. Slides out. And like I said, this one is available, so it's it does not have a buyer. She's here on the lot in Greeley, Colorado. There's the other gauges there. Oh, just absolutely gorgeous truck. I think yep, train horns in it. Got the window chops. All your power windows, power locks. So I just thought I'd do a quick video, and I was going to check and see what this one weighs. 18,346. 18,346 is the weight on it as it sits. So just thought I'd give you a quick video on it. I appreciate you guys' time. Appreciate you watching the videos. Like I said, we can always go back to the polished wheels. That looks really nice too. These are just a little bit simpler and easier. So anyway, just give me a call or email or text. Keith Couch, 970-691-3877 is my cell phone, and you can call or text. Email is couchk, couchk, @rushenterprises.com. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys. Bye.